Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on how I will show you guys how you can create a nice pencil sketch work on Photoshop. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to show you guys a little trick that I'm using to do some pencil sketch for my clients. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, so that anytime I post a video like this on how you can do digital painting or how you can create any other thing, you will be the first to notify. And also I want you guys to please help me out on this. I just want us to reach 1K. From 1K we can go more than that. I know we are better than that. I know that we can do better than this, and please just hit the subscribe button. So before further ado, let's go into the game. Hello guys, welcome back to the video, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. Just duplicate the original layer, which is very easy, which is Ctrl J. Then you click or you go and take your use saturation. So if I did pronounce it, I pronounce it, so I know I try. So in saturation, just reduce it to -100, which is very easy. Then you press your Ctrl I. So once you press your Ctrl I, go to your use a color dodge in your normal layer changes. So then you go to your blur and use a Gaussian blur. You can increase it to 100 or whatever you like. So just for me, for this video, I'm going to use 130. So then you go to your I don't know what that place is called. So just go there and use brightness contrast. So for me, let's say 17 is okay, and -27 for brightness, and contrast I think okay, let's use that one. So for me, just all you just have to do, you go to level, click the level, which is the brightness and everything. So just try to make it go to your own terms, so you can do it as you like. So then you group everything, just group everything. You don't even need to group, just duplicate it, which is Ctrl J and Ctrl E to export it as one layer. So then you go to filter and you click on noise and add noise, which is very easy. So you can increase and whatever you like. Remember, you are doing it on your own terms. I'm just doing this for this video, so you can add it to your own terms. So whatever you like. So press OK. So I just use 52. Duplicate it again and go to your filter and go to your filter gallery. So when you go to your filter gallery, I use a poster edge. Is it poster edge? So all you just have to do is for you to adjust the edge, and the edge, just need to do the adjustments yourself. And in this video, I'm going to use this, and you can increase it as you like, and you can, as long as it falls to your terms. So then you go to you click a mask, you give it a mask, you give it a layer mask, and you go to your brush, just brush it off. So if you don't know how this works, it's very easy. When you give it a layer mask, when you put it on black, it will simply erase it. When you give it white, it will simply bring those things back. I will do a video on how to use that to create different form. So for now, let's just use it for this pencil sketch work. So for there, which is very easy. So please, I'm just trying to erase some things out of the portrait, so that it will come out very well. So you can do it in your own terms. Remember, I'm just doing this for this video, but you can do it in your own terms, the way you like it and the way you want it to flow. So that is it. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, so that anytime I post a unique video on how you can use Photoshop and how to bring some hidden functions in Photoshop. So yeah, so click the same I don't know what that piece is called, but just use black and white. And you remember you are doing it on your own time, so I just reduce the yellow to minus 200. So I'm just trying to look if I can get some good taste here. So I think that will okay. I'm gonna go back. I think that let's go. Okay, let's try the cyan. Let's see what the cyan will do for us. Okay, wow, I think this is interesting. So just click okay, and remember our layer mask is already there already. Just brush it off, which is very easy. Okay, yeah, I'm just trying to do the edges and everything. So yeah guys, that is how you can create a nice pencil sketch with your Photoshop in any font and in anything you are doing, in any portrait, in any picture you are doing. So just use this method. I think this method will help you guys a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also thank you for hitting the subscribe button, turning the notification bell on. I'm really grateful. Thank you guys. See you guys next Friday. Peace.